Welcome to Phrasal Verbs with Oscar. 8 ways to use the verb preposition combination to run down. This is part 2. 5 of 8 ways to use to run down. So to continue from part 1, a fourth meaning of to run down, 4 out of 8, is to chase to the source or go after someone, something until you find them or it. I looked everywhere for him. I finally ran him down in the basement watching TV. Here is an example from a government investigation where a speaker describes how they found the information they needed. He says, I would call to your mind how we ran down the clues in the oil investigation. And in the Tom Petty song, Running Down a Dream, he sings these lyrics to the above video, running down a dream that never would come to me, and you can see him chasing after something. In a fifth meaning, 5 out of 8, to run down means to collide with or knock down. At the supermarket, a woman almost ran me down with her shopping cart. Luckily, I got out of the way. It is frequently found in police reports and crime stories. A woman ran down her husband with a car. Or in this story, the headline reads, Police arrest driver accused of running down 3 people. This is repeated at the bottom where it says, about 20 minutes from where he allegedly ran down 3 people. A sixth meaning, 6 out of 8, of to run down is negative. It means to insult or criticize. Politicians often run down their opponents. In this article, the candidate is quoted as saying, I don't think you need to run down someone's reputation in order to run for the office of president. Below, we see Sally and Sally's co-workers. Sally's co-worker runs her down behind her back. A seventh meaning, 7 out of 8, of to run down means to run out of energy. The battery is running down. If you are feeling tired all the time, maybe it is because your job is running you down. Last but not least, an eighth meaning of to run down, 8 out of 8. It has to do with condition through time. It means to deteriorate in quality or condition. Our neighbor just stopped taking care of his house and let it run down until it became unlivable. It can also be used more figuratively. In this article from the website The Conversation, the systematic underfunding of DFAT has run down Australia's diplomatic capacity to the point that it is under-resourced. The last meaning of to run down is frequently used as an adjective. The house was quite run down, with a hyphen. You might also see it spelled as one word, run down, making a run-down house livable in just 6 months. Frequently a spelling change, run down 2 words versus run down 1 word, run down with a hyphen, shows a change from a verb form to another part of speech. Those forms can either be nouns or adjectives and can have as many different meanings as the verb preposition combination we just covered. But Oscar says, that is enough for today. It is time to leave the office and take a break before getting too tired. Don't let learning English run you down. And later, if you haven't seen it, watch part 1 with 3 more ways to use to run down. Until next time.